The future of event tech. Bringing virtual and hybrid events to life. Enjoy a new way to communicate in a digital age. OnAir is the groundbreaking new virtual and hybrid event solution from OnAir, allowing you to create and organize events of any size and format online. Built on our powerful and secure OnAir 6th Gen platform, enjoy dynamic new features, flexibility, and all the tools needed to tailor-make your virtual or hybrid event. The OnAir timeline is the command center. Its easy and concise navigation keeps sessions on track with an active timeline, countdown clock, and filtered content for attendees. You have total control to curate a perfect online event experience. Choose from a range of session types, from pre-recorded sessions that run in real time, webinar-styled live sessions, large audiences to live stream sessions where you can add a mix of live, recorded, and animated content, allowing audiences to engage via live Q&A. Just like a live event, you can set up an exhibition with virtual booths, where attendees can select their exhibitor and booth members to meet. These can be pre-scheduled meetings, or simply click on your exhibitor for an impromptu meeting. During your meeting, download a brochure, take notes, and exchange details. Add virtual functions to set up your networking and discussion groups. Move from group to group with a set timer to keep the conversations flowing, or filter your audience into discussion groups that can be facilitated by group leaders or sponsors. For a conference-style event, you can add interactive presentations or e-posters, giving your authors or presenters the opportunity to present their work. You can have up to 40 members in a session with multiple presenters plus private chat sessions. The Meeting Hub allows you to connect with peers or other like-minded attendees. Filter through a range list of profile questions. Request to chat and conduct face-to-face video connection with ease. As an event organizer, you have a range of powerful tools to manage your attendees' online experience, including live support, virtual control room, presenter mode, live alerts, and information, as well as a virtual host. Capture real-time analytics of your on-air event, including attendance and sessions and functions, plus attendee origin. These all come together to make for a great event. When the event is over, you can export all your notes and contacts in easy-to-use Word and Excel format, or keep the event open so attendees can view your recorded sessions long after the event has ended. Creating virtual or hybrid events just became a whole lot easier with OnAir, thanks to the powerful OnAir framework built using the latest in web technology. Fast, secure, and flexible, allowing you to bring your virtual and hybrid events to life.